वाह वाह, जय हो. Some amount of cloud cover. I can see the silhouette of the hill there. I think it's a little claustrophobic. You people should not be touching anybody else. You're sitting too close together. Very sad. बाहेर बसताना तुमको सांगल्या, spread out a little. One person moves, relay. Everybody gets distracted. Stabilize yourself, relax. Poise is what we want. Movement, agur, stretch. जातच kancha left side vath, right side vash nahi. Feel the body will guide you. Breathe out when you bend. Never hold your breath. And you relax, very slow, gentle. You're feeling the muscles that are being stretched. Not some predetermined position you have to attain to. Even in the process of stretching, do not hold your breath. I want to see that happening. Breathe out, breathe out. 1 inch more, I pull my body. Same position, I take a breath. 1 more inch, I stretch. Beautiful. Ma Janani. Stretchings Almari, Agur Magari. You can go to the next breathing. Chiki core tight sir. I hope your positions are correct. Hanga. Ubar khabar sir. So elevation and kalemadashna. Still, you may have to lean forward a little. Now see waist area kashi samajasva. Hip, waist, slightly tucked in tummy for the ninadatmak diaphragmatic breathing. First 2-3 breaths can be thoracic also. Basrika karta tashi. Flush out your lungs. 1, 2, 3. That's enough for me. Now definitely the diaphragmatic. Surzalya, you're understanding what's happening. Poise येऊन चासूर जाता, मन शांत जाता. आता ह्या वेळारी I can pin my gaze, let's say, on the top of that apex of that tower there, but I'm not staring at it. But I'm aware, at least 270 degrees I can get, no, not that much less, 170 probably. Left, right, I can see. I'm not going to look around, but I'm peripheral vision, I'm just checking out. Am I aware of my surroundings? At least Mukhari, 40 degrees to the left, 40 degrees to the right. So you learn the attention dimcha without shifting your gaze. So I'm still looking at that tower, and without swiveling my head or my eyeballs, I'm aware of Prithvish standing there. I'm not going to look at him, and my gaze is still fixed. Next, I'm aware of somebody on the right also. Attention switch karta asat me, because I keep telling you, don't concentrate. Attention, so physical level asudai, that immediate tendency to look, we are controlling, we are looking right in the distance. But awareness is to the left, to the right. Okay, then again I'm switching my awareness back on to that the apex of the tower. And I'm aware of that bird that flew past. I don't have to follow its trajectory or whatever. The sky is lightening. Throughout all this, again my attention is on my breathing. Gentle, about 4 seconds inhalation or 4 counts inhalation, or 3 counts inhalation, 4 counts exhalation. That is something that is not going to change. I am not going to hold my breath. Abhasagar dur, yattati vattati. Nothing that I need to attend to. It is so beautiful. Shanta. I can feel the breeze. Magal Sharira Sthirasa Kushinta Shwas Prashwas Chaltasa, no anxiety, no tension. I have heard the silence. So all these sounds that rise and fall, I am paying attention to that silence, which is Shashvata. It is always there. All the other sounds arise and they fade away. I am latching on, I am learning to latch on to that silence. The world is waking up, these sounds will increase, but I'm not going to forget the silence that I have heard. That will be my base Shruti. And my gentle diaphragmatic breathing reminds me of that. Gives me that poise again when I enter the hustle bustle of regular life. आता आवाज बंद समझ करता रही शांत परत महादेव प्रातः स्मरामि हृदि संस्फुरदात्मतत्त्वम् सच्चित्सुखं परमहंसगतिं तुरीयम्
सच्चित्सुखं परमहंसगतिं तुरीयम्
यत्स्वप्नजागरसुषुप्तमवैति नित्यम्
यत्स्वप्नजागरसुषुप्तमवैति नित्यम्
तद्ब्रह्म निष्कलमहं न च भूतसङ्घः तद्ब्रह्म निष्कलमहं न च भूतसङ्घः प्रातर्भजामि मनसा वचसामगम्यम् वाचो विभान्ति निखिला यदनुग्रहेण यन्नेति नेति वचनैर्निगमा अवोचुः तन्देवदेवमजमच्युतमाहुरग्र्यम् प्रातर्नमामि तमसः परमर्कवर्णम् पूर्णं सनातनपदं पुरुषोत्तमाख्यम् यस्मिन्निदं जगदशेषमशेषमूर्तौ रज्ज्वाम्भुजङ्गमिव प्रतिभासि तं वै श्लोकत्रयमिदं पुण्यम् लोकत्रयविभूषणम् प्रातःकाले पठेद्यस्तु स गच्छेत् परमं पदम् सगळ्यांकय नूतन वर्ष अभिनंदन आता तुमगे ह्या बाजू तोंड कोण बसचे असल्यार हगूर उठोन बसचे because now I am happy to see all of you. It was dark, no, I couldn't see. Now that you let me see this, I'll endure your. So nice. कशी खडबशें आसा learn and really spread out. No? This is very bad. Keep on don't touch each other. Chikkesh kelyari, you will get disturbed. Your own body movements, you anticipate, you expect. Spread out, spread out. And खुर्चीर बशिल्ल्यांक तर भायर घाल येद. He is good. खरपून घेवच्या हाका निसण. तांकांय कार्पेट घाल्या हाका. You no. Mahadev, Mahadev. Yeah, good. बरें जालें now it's going behind the clouds again. कली थंड जावचें विशय ना न्हू हांगा सगळें तंपूच न्हू एक भजन करुया so nice one of the best New Year's हाजेर मस्त जातालें कहलें हांवें बडे स्वामीजी करतालीं so I said I'll do it तिथी लायकाना आमी मस्त करता ती काम वय की ना कले देव कार्य समथिंग तिथी पळोवन मुहूर्त पळोवन करता ती बट अदरवायज फायनली इफ यू आर टोल्ड ती एक्चुअली वॉट डेट इज इट म्हणून नेमता ती काल अनादि आमी महाकालाला आराधन करता ती महाकालाला आराधन करतना वी डोंट एज्यूम वी हॅव ट्रान्सेंडेड टाइम वी वॉन्ट टू रिस्पेक्ट एवरी सेकंड एवरी मिली सेकंड ओनली देन वी कॅन डेअर टू से येस वी आर कनेक्टिंग टू यू अँड नाउ show us your immensity unrestricted by time महाकाल म्हळ्यार तोपर्यंत तुका एक एक प्रकटनाक आमी महत्व दिता ती then you will take us graciously beyond these limitations so तोपर्यंत हें सगळें गणना म्हणटा ती ways of calculating measuring out time for our laukik vyavahara it is not binding on us so we are appealing to that हें स्तोत्र कल पठन केलें प्रातस्मरामि हृदि संस्फुरद आत्मतत्वम आमी तर पळयत आसा सूर्योदय जाता आसा समथिंग वी कॅन कनेक्ट रिलेट टू बट वी नॉट सेइंग दॅट इज ब्रह्मन हृदि संस्फुरद आत्मतत्वम आई एम फीलिंग दैट वय की ना if that sensation is not there that awareness is not there I'll just see this okay I may appreciate it also but I won't connect spiritually so तूं भायर तशी प्रकट जाता आसा हे सूर्य नारायण आणि हृदयान सुद्धा तूंच प्रातस्मरामि हृदि संस्फुरद आत्मतत्व आत्मतत्व अहम रूपेण सच्चित सुखम परमहंस गतिन तुरीयम जागृत स्वप्न आणि सुषुप्तीचे परे जावन आशिल्लो 3 अवस्थाज I can account for but still I am there in Jagrat it's me only who is there in Swapna even though I may have assumed a totally different identity. When I wake up, I say I slept well. I'm not aware because the receiving or the recording facility is switched off. Mind. But I am there even in Sushupti. I was not dead in Sushupti, but Ajnan was there. Jnana Nashil. But I was there, no? So what is that I that is throughout? Turiyam. It's not another fourth. Turiyam means fourth. It is not fourth as distinct. It is that underlying which is not limited by the 3 avasthas, very much in the 3, and then once you can't vibhajan korosanama, it is infinite. Turiyam yat swapna jagara sushuptim avaiti praptasata. It endures, it just okay. And Jagrat avastha, हिमगल स्वप्नावस्था हिमगल सुषुप्ती अवस्था म्हणटा आत्मतत्व म्हणटा शिवाय मन रेकॉर्ड करताल नातील मी ते निद्दल हांव आतां ग्रँड कोण उठयला आय अज्यूम आय स्लेप्ट वेल सुखम अहम अस्वापसम आफ्टर गेटिंग अप दिस इज अ नॉर्मल है सो वी आर टचिंग दैट विच ट्रांसेंड्स ऑल दीज 3 which is the Aadhar also. If that is not there, there is no Jagrat, no Sushupti also. आता एक उदयाचल करूया तुमगेल वॉट इज ऑन दी एजेंडा आय सेड नॉट मेनू हां आनी जायना फुडें कल्लेस तुम्ही कले अभिव्यक्त करचेस की अभिव्यक्ती फाय आणि आज ही सांज इंटरॅक्शन असं नो आज कले नाव आहे इंटरॅक्शन असं फाय 2 तारीख ये I can see it. You can sneak a peek. That's all. Bright. That's all. F sharp zat ke darle mamanka G sharp just one note lower tuk zata not very low उदयाचल नभ कुंकुम जल भर उदयाचल नभ कुंकुम जल भर मंगल नीराजन विधि तत्पर मंगल नीराजन विधि तत्पर तुहि नाचल कुल तुंग पताके तुहि नाचल कुल तुंग पताके त्रिलोचने शिव तरुणी जागो त्रिलोचने शिव तरुणी जागो त्रिलोक पालिनी तारिणी जागो त्रिलोक पालिनी तारिणी जागो चिंतामणिपुर मूल द्वार पर चिंतामणिपुर मूल द्वार पर अंतःपुर नूपुर सुन आतुर अंतःपुर नूपुर सुन आतुर पंक्ति त्रय चिर खड़े योगेश्वर पंक्ति त्रय चिर खड़े योगेश्वर मंत्र मातृका मालिनी जागो मंत्र मातृका मालिनी जागो विनिद्रिता परवाणी जागो विनिद्रिता निद्रिता परवाणी जागो, ब्रह्मरंध्र शिव बैठ प्रतीक्षा, ब्रह्मरंध्र शिव बैठ प्रतीक्षा, करते हैं तव संगति कांक्षा, करते हैं तव संगति कांक्षा, भुवनाधार भुजंगिनी जागो, भुवनाधार भुजंगिनी जागो, मूल प्रकृति महायोगिनी जागो, मूल प्रकृति महायोगिनी जागो, सुधामयी शिव कामिनी जागो, सुधामयी शिव कामिनी जागो, भारती भवानी भार्गवी जागो, भारती भवानी भार्गवी जागो, भगवती स्वयं प्रभावती जागो, भगवती स्वयं प्रभावती जागो, भैरवी शांभवी श्रीमयी जागो, भैरवी शांभवी श्रीमयी जागो, जागो जागो, भैरवी शांभवी श्रीमयी जागो, ब्रह्म महिषी महामाये जागो, ब्रह्म महिषी महामाये जागो, संविन्मयी शिव जाए जागो, संविन्मयी शिव जाए जागो, जागो जागो, जागो जागो जागो, जागो जागो, महादेव. तुमको कले भजन म्हणचेस की बांटें कोनो कले सांगचेस की nobody greeted me back. Diaphragmatic breathing. Pap. I can see nothing is happening. Kitla, I'm saying, relax. Start everything with the breath. Ninad pa. Ah. Ha, ha. The breath comes first. Then, then engage the vocal cords. Karne. Otherwise, it's your own stifled, banker corrupted, fearful voice only that I get to hear. Ah. Ha, 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 ha. Dashi. This is okay. But then Kashi, and this is the best, you really have to stretch Ashikon, then lap. Once you have latched on, I demonstrate also. If I let go, my body will swing back. That means I'm not tensing my back muscles. Then pull. Then it is a real stretch. So Tashi, when I ask you to stretch, it's not happening. And I'm breathing. Burst breathing. Thode core nu, I'm coaching the muscles to relax more and more. Actually, there are some positions you hold. Hip, anchor, tight, and you have to go in that pigeon pose, etc. Why na? आम्ही एक 3 सेकंड रपता 10 seconds में hard kama. 3 minutes you are supposed to stay there. Because instinctively there are muscles which are holding back. They are designed for that. So that your leg doesn't go off or something, you don't split a tendon. So they are holding you back. So like 3 minutes and you just breathe into them. Then they start relaxing. Then the actual stretching happens. 3 minutes. We have calculated also. So we have to learn to reach that, especially if there is some catch, not catch is another thing, but normal stretching, ankoru vattana. Normally we just stretch, we feel good. But learn to sink into that. Ghar kartana. There with it. It should not be painful, but you should be seriously aware of the stretch happening and be there. After a few, at least a minute or two, you'll sense ani hagur loosens. Instinctively, those muscles are holding on, they'll start relaxing. It's safe. It's not going to go beyond a certain point. So constantly you're breathing into that. Relax, 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 let go. So I stretch kartana, I feel that goodness coming. अनिकले सांग चिशील की तुमका it's been good so far. दोन्ही तिन्ही शिबिर कोण अटेंड केले अंती तांकां हांवें कशी संजय शेट्टी मामाले इंटिग्रेट जाताच नवें इतलें वर्सां तुमी कल केल्या तुमकां कल मेळ्ळ्या ताच्यान एक बेस कळ्ळें. That is very necessary. I am not running a Krav Maga class here or self-defense course or something. 3 दिवसांत 1 दिवसान कले जायना. But since he is so much in tune, he can give you that, he can push you into that corner or whatever which I may find difficult. But the learning is the same thing. Apnal fears are discover and to some extent face and let them go away. आत्मबल वाढतं असं तशी ती एक प्रक्रिया चलत असता. आज कशी प्रार्थना करतना सूर्योदय जातना एक दावालेंची प्रतीक and behind the physical orb We are invoking that divinity म्हणून आसा, no doubt about it. But हृदयसंस परत immediate जावंका गूंज मगल हृदयांत आसा. Finally हांव दोळ्यान पळयत नवें. So where is it all getting consolidated? मनांतू बुद्धी घेवन बुद्धीचेच साक्षी हांव पळयला हांव म्हणेल कोण तें अहम रूपेण आत्मरूपेण तशी एक करतना सेम थिंग एक विंगड परिस्थितीन तूं हांव आय एम नॉट टच्ड बाय दीस आय एम बियॉन्ड दीस म्हणचे एक आत्मबल प्रकट जाता खंयचे परिस्थितीन तूं सो ती एक कला येता बर आसतनाय वी डोंट लूज ट्रॅक ऑफ आवर सेल्स आर कनेक्ट विथ गॉड न्ही कॅरीड अवे इन आवर ओन हँड्स जायना सांगतना कितले खुशी जाले अरे आसा देव नाव आय कॅन रिलीश इट एन्जॉय इट बेटर म्हूण एक अँकर्ड म्हणटा ती आनी वेन यू आर सिंकिंग रादर नॉट सिंगिंग नो सिंकिंग यू डोंट नीड एन अँकर दॅट विल टेक यू फर्दर रीच आउट होल्ड ऑन